Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your loadout and movement. This matters because speed multiplies opportunities. Once done, upgrade your workbench and craft station so you can use cogs immediately. Take a compact weapon, healing, and a vehicle or bicycle to reach multiple hot spots quickly. Make sure to clear inventory to pick up 5-10 cogs per run. The idea is to run efficient loops. Hit a red zone, grab machines and crates, then return to base to craft without wasting time. You want a repeatable circuit. Identify 3-4 nearby locations with mechanical spawns and stick to a timed loop. Use hit-and-run tactics so you destroy only containers you can loot fast. This reduces downtime and heavy enemy engagement. Once you clear containers, move to the next site and avoid unnecessary combat. Make sure to use traps or teammates to manage mobs while you focus on opening crates. The why? Consistent loops and minimal combat maximize cog per hour. You finish each session by banking cogs and crafting high-value items so nothing is lost. Once done, recycle excess junk for extra cog-equivalent resources or use trades if you need a fast top-up. Make sure to repair your gear between runs to keep efficiency high. If you encounter missing cogs or weird drops, clear game cache and restart the client. This often resets loot tables. If problems persist, document the bug and report it, but restart first since that fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.